So hey guys, in this video we will see how to modify RX100 muffler sound and how to modify muffler. So I will show you today how I modified my muffler for loud sound. So let's go. So this one is the original muffler which you get from company or Yamaha service or spares part shop. See, two holes are open and one hole is closed. Other side, this is the original one and this is my modified one. I patched the holes with welding and cut it short. It's so short, see, it's like half of its length, and this is it. If you want to see inside, it is hollow, completely hollow, no restriction. So this is it. Now I will show you sound difference. Okay, this is the original muffler or stock muffler. Let's insert it. So this is the sound of the stock muffler. Let's hear it. The modified muffler, so let's insert it. So this is the sound of modified muffler.